Oh, we are live. Alright, let's try and get the screens working. Hmm. It's always weird trying to get it working. Hmm. Maybe we change this to do this and click OK. And then we drag that down. We turn off second monitor. There we go. Okay, stream's working now. Wonderful. We're gonna finish off our 1511 revision because my exam's in 2 days. Uh, and I want to pass because passing's a good idea. So let's work on some problems. Where is my work actually? Is it in beauty? It's comp. Huh. All right. What's this called? Sweet potatoes. Let's see if where is it? CD. CD what? C comp problems. Okay, that's fine. Let's see this first. There's a gap in the market. I can only serve people in cross pattern. My back pain makes me stay still for the entire day. I prepare for this, and yet I have a map of rows and then columns that contains a density of people that walk through town. However, yeah, that everyone will want to taste your sweet potatoes as long as you can serve them. So my task is to write a program that finds the best place to put my cart, so I'll end up serving the most people. For each test case, print 3 integers to row and column. Okay, so it's, was it row 1, column 2? I don't get it. Oh, it's 1, 2, and then 1 down, okay. Is it? Oh, no, I'm lost now. Row 1, 2 down, okay. So that's 0, that's 1, that's 0, that's 1, that's 2. We get picked that, and then that's that cross. Okay, nice. Next. Huh. Wait, I don't get it though. That's beyond this. Oh, it is. Okay. So 3 rows, 5 columns. I have to manually enter the. Do I have to input the people? Okay. Seems easy enough. Why would I need to dynamically allocate it? What's the. So we get the input, and then we have to void. We can't return a like that, and then it'll be town map, return town map, get town map, int rows, int calls. Get town map, input rows, input calls. Let's make a new one, int town map, town map equals. I mean, honestly, you can just define a 2D array with our inputs, but might as well figure out double pointers while I'm at it. We need to, for int I equals 0, let's do x equals, because no, row, yeah, row and call, row equals 0, row less than rows, row plus plus. So iterate over rows. Do we want it by rows? Or do we want it by calls? Womp womp. For int call equals 0, call less than calls, call plus plus. We don't need that. We just malloc. Int map. Int. Is that how you write it? Our map contains rows times the size of int. And then each row is a pointer map row equals malloc calls times size of int return map that initializes. We do that, then what do we do? We get inputs. Yeah. In x row equals 0, row less than row plus plus. For int call equals 0, call less than calls, call plus plus. Bad naming scheme, but whatever. Map row call int input scanf %d input was input, and then write a debug function, print map int map for int rows, int calls, 15j, paste that, 6j, delete, printf, %d, space, that, map row call, printf, whoa, yes, /n 11j, print map town map input rows input calls. C sweet. 2 by 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Nice. 2 rows, 4 columns. Let's do 3, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Very good. We got it. Let's get a int sum cross. Well, probably should write a whole. Nah. Okay, if we int sum cross. Yeah, we just get the sum, we return the sum. We then write a different handler. Let's write the other handler first. Or could we stick in main? Nah, let's do it properly. What is it? Void find cross enter loop enter cross loop inside int rows int calls int map. That's basically all we need. Let's copy that. Enter cross loop. Input rows, input calls, town map. Return 0, space 11. Whoa. 42J. Int max sum. Kind of have a negative sum, so let's do that. Int max call equals 0, int max row equals 0. We then need a check for the index we're accessing. So we gotta get cross sum. Int row, int call, int map. Not map, I'm cooked. Int map rows, int map calls. Let's name these things properly first. Current row, current column, map rows, map calls. So int sum equals 0. Let's write some bare bones and then fix it for edge cases later. So sum plus equals to map cur row cur call. That's always a guarantee. Why don't we actually put that there? And it's a value on point. And then sum plus equals to cur row plus 1, cur call plus 1. Right, and then you can have that, so that's 1 minus minus minus, and then that's a minus as well. So that's plus plus, minus plus, minus minus, plus minus. And then for each of those we gotta check if it's possible. Check if it's possible. Or going out of bounds. And that's just a lot of if statements. If cur row plus 1 we can just do a simple check, right? It's like if cur row plus 1 is not within. If it's not within that boundary, then don't run this. Nah, if it's within, then we run. Okay. If it is within or equals to map rows and cur row, so when you plus 1, you're going down. No, when you plus 1, you're going down. When you're going calls and you plus 1, you're going right. So it also needs to be less than equals to map calls. And we also gotta check if so structure this nicer. What's wrong with that? Cur calls and cur call. Never mind. Cur row minus 1 needs to be greater or equals to 0. And cur call minus 1 needs to be greater or equal to 0. Right. That's our basic frame. And this covers everything. So if you're top left, you can only get plus plus. Right. Is the syntax like this? Whoa, what's going on? Is the syntax like this? Oh, you don't need them. Okay, nice. Minus 1 is greater or equals to 0. Minus row and cur. Cur row. Row call row call. So that's minus plus minus plus. This is minus greater equals to 0 current call. Minus 1 greater equals to 0. And let's replace that with per row plus 1 greater less than or equals to map rows. And then we call the sum and sum get cross sum row call rows calls map if cur sum equal greater than max sum. That's a lot of nesting. Max sum equals cur sum max call equals row. What? I'm tripping. Call max row equals row. Printf sum is %d at %d comma %d slash n. Max sum max call max row max call. Uh, 3.5. Let's see. Just paste that in. Hopefully, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? What's going on? Alright, 53. Surely that's not like that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. Where is the sec file? It's probably there, right? It's probably here. Oh. Because max rows is because Pinta. Let's draw this out. So we have this. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. We've got 3. We've got 4. We've got 5. And then we draw 3. So it's 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's 5 and that's 3. And we're working off these metrics. So when we're at 4, now we want to remove that. So that 4 plus 1 is not less than map calls, so we don't want that. We have 0 minus 1 needs to be, oh, that seems right. Maybe it's just the pluses, you know. That's plus, that's a plus. .205 at 1.2. Nice. There we go. That's pretty good. 24 minutes for that. Okay, is that good? We get 3 hours. That's 3 times 60 divided by 24. Uh-oh. Can't be spending that much time on that. Wait, if I start my stream like, nah, stop coping. Just get your work done. Best YouTuber. Does it actually work? 4 or 5. 0 0 0 0 0 9 9 0 9 9 0 0 0 9 9 0 0 0 9 9 0 9 9 0. Set 0 1 2 0 1 2. Oh, it does work. Wonderful. Does that work? No, it doesn't. Knew it. What the fuck's going on? I'm lost. Your program is giving a list of thought-provoking YouTube videos. Each video has the creator and the number of likes. They don't, however, have dislikes. Your task is to print out the YouTuber who has the best likes to dislikes ratio. That video count and total numbers. I don't get it. So you input it? Or like, where do you get your data from? I might have to read read the things. Input will be creator likes. What about views? Oh, to videos. Never mind. Oh, so we're doing a linked list. Ah, that's interesting. So we're given a linked list of YouTubers with likes. It's stored in video as a linked list. And we gotta figure out the likes to... How do you calculate a ratio? It's just like... You add the video count. So you have the video count and you have the sum of all the likes, and it's likes divided by video count, probably, right? Something like that. That's cool, I guess. Kinda want music. Music cube. What we can do is we have an array of strings. We have two arrays. Three arrays? Or we have arrays? We have one array. We have two arrays. Okay. Let's hear me out. We have two arrays. Our first array is an array of strings. And let's say Logan Paul. KSI. Speed. Alright. Who's more brain rot YouTubers? Duke Dennis. So we store each unique YouTuber in an array index. And we have our second array, which holds a struct, which holds total vid, total like, and then ratio. Right. And we store the equivalent YouTuber in that struct array. And then we do all the calculations and divert. Okay, easy peasy. How is this harder than Billy's books? Billy's books is some bullshit. Alright, should be fine. So char YouTuber buff YT buff buffer size. That work. And then we gotta make our own struct. Struct YouTuber. Wait, can we not just store the creator? So we can just do that. Int likes, int total likes, total videos. Double ratio. Fuck you. Struct YouTuber. YT buffer. Buffer size. Struct video cur equals head, while cur next does not equals to null. Well, cur next, because we're doing all the math in the thing. And we don't have to worry about that.
I thought we really just wrote that
next
together with like minimal effort.
Let's double check.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Get
the bare max.
If head equals null.
I'm giving it a little intro.
And we can have a different handle, which is like if head next equals no.
Listen while you talk when you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me breathe. On repeat. ¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía. Lo que yo te haría si te tuviera de frente y la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día.
That song's kind of fire, not gonna lie. Alright, in buffer is true. YouTube buffer I
¿Quién lo diría?
plus equals
Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía. Lo que yo te haría
lights.
si te tuviera de frente en la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you could take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me imagino lo que ya estás maquinando.
Is that how it works? When you have an array of
Que se podía hacer el amor por
struts
telepatía.
dot
La luna está
lights
llena, mi cama vacía. Lo que yo te haría
buffer
si te tuviera de frente en la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know that I can see right through you. I can read your mind, I can read your mind. What you wanna do? It's written all over your face, times two. 'Cause I can read your mind, I can read your mind. I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen while you talk when you're
Total
fast
likes,
asleep. You
total
stay on the
videos.
phone just to hear me breathe. On repeat. ¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía. Lo que yo te haría si te tuviera de frente y la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día.
if in buffer equals false. Buff size plus plus. YouTube buffer. Buff size equals dot.
¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía.
Right? It's not created, right?
La luna está llena, mi cama vacía. Lo que yo te haría
I'm cooked.
si
Why don't
te
I chat?
tuviera de frente en la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you could take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando.
Am I
You
looking
know I
up?
got a lot to
I don't have
say.
access to
All
that
these
new tab.
voices in the background of my brain y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me imagino lo que ya estás maquinando.
Source to destination. Okay. Source, not to destination.
I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen while you talk when you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me
You
breathe.
copy that.
On repeat. ¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría.
Total lights.
Si te tuviera de frente y la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día.
Total views. For YouTube size dot ratio equals. What do I type? Forgotten everything. Curlikes. There we go. I 0, I less than
¿Quién lo
YouTube
diría?
size. I plus
Que
plus.
se podía hacer el amor
Let's just
por
print this to see if it works.
telepatía.
Printf.
La luna está
Percent
llena,
S,
mi
percent
cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si
Likes.
te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría.
Videos.
Noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away.
Ratio.
If you want it, you
Percent
could
OF.
take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando. Y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando.
YouTube buffer.
You know I got a lot to
dot
say. All these voices in the
creator
background of my
YouTube
brain.
buffer.
Y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me
Dot.
imagino lo que ya estás maquinando. ¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know that I can see right through you. I can read your mind, I can read your mind, what you wanna do.
Close it.
It's written all over your face, times two. 'Cause I can read your mind, I can read your mind. I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen while you talk when you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me breathe.
Oh.
On repeat. ¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por
What is going on?
telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía,
close
lo
it,
que
close
yo
it.
te haría. Si te tuviera de
I
frente,
close it,
la
close
mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día.
44 line 1. Oh, silly. Oh yeah, it's still videos. On YouTube and put it like that. I 5.
¿Quién lo
39.
diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía.
Oh, I had it right.
It's written all over your face times two. 'Cause I can read your mind, I can read your mind. I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen while you talk when you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me breathe. On repeat. Que no diría,
Nice. All right. Yeah, that's basically
que se
done.
podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama
Is it?
vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente y la mente te la volaría.
No, it's not.
De noche de día, de noche de día.
And car. Best creator. Buffer size. Wait, no.
¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La
YouTuber.
luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría.
Best YouTuber.
Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you
Best
could take a
ratio.
private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando. Y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando.
And
You know I got a lot to say. All these
Gotcha.
voices in the background of my brain. Y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me imagino lo que ya estás maquinando. ¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por
Best.
telepatía. La luna está llena, mi
Ratio
cama
count.
vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know that I can see right through you. I can read your mind, I can read your mind, what you wanna do. It's written all over your face times two. 'Cause I can read your mind, I can read your mind. I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen while you talk when you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me breathe. On repeat. ¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía.
so we copy the
La
name.
luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría.
Ratio.
Si te tuviera de frente y la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día.
Total likes equals YouTube. Likes. Best YouTuber. Total videos equals YouTube buffer I dot total videos. If best ratio equals YouTube buffer I
¿Quién lo diría?
ratio.
Que se podía hacer el amor por
And we gotta do
telepatía.
best
La
ratio.
luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría.
Else
Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría.
best ratio.
De noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you could take a private plane.
total.
I can read your mind, I can read your mind. I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen while you talk when you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me breathe. On repeat. ¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente y la mente te la volaría. De noche, de día, de noche, de día.
What do you mean there's a tie?
¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía.
Charles.
La luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche, de día, de noche, de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you could take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando. Y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando. You know I
Right.
got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain. Y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me imagino lo que ya estás maquinando. ¿Quién lo diría?
It's just that.
Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche, de día, de noche, de día. You know that I can see right through you. I can read your mind, I can read your mind, what you wanna do. It's written all over your face, times two. 'Cause I can read your mind, I can read your mind. I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen while you talk when you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me breathe. On repeat. ¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente y la mente te la volaría. De noche, de día, de noche, de día.
Ay, ay, ay. People count. That's what I got.
¿Quién lo diría? Que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche, de
Okay, nice. Scrabble.
I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen while you talk when you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me breathe.
Got us.
Alright,
Calibreaches. I'm sorry, I gotta focus. Hanran has recently been playing a lot of Scrabble but is struggling to maximize the points he is getting on each word. Given a string with some spots full of letters and the others hyphens. What? Oh, okay. And the list of letters that he has access to, write a program to find the max score you can achieve. Is the code pre-written for me? CD scram. Nice. Alright, let's see. Integer n, target word of length n. What? What is a word? Target word of length n. Some letters filled in hyphens reinsert other letters. You may assume that the target word will always contain one letter. Okay. A word can be formed. Print this down. What is a word? Bank of letters. Okay. What the fuck? I don't want to read all that. Oh, I gotta lock in though. I gotta get my marks. Gotta pass my exam. I mean, I'm not gonna fail, but like, I think I might want to take a break. Do I wanna? Do I wanna take a break? It's in 2 days. Oy oy oy. I will stream later. 1 hour is 60 minutes. That's a lot of time. I just did 2 questions. Oh, that sucks. I'm gonna fail. Well,